guys, this is gonna be my whole video for today. The first one was to tell you guys what's up with Frankie. And but now he wanted me to surprise him for videos, and oh my gosh, I just started off the video horrible. Yeah, I'm playing Flood Escape 2, and he wanted me to surprise him with 4 videos. He listed me 3 games he wanted to be for videos, and then the last one's a surprise, so I'm starting off with Flood Escape 2, because that's one of the ones he listed. And then the other 2 will be a surprise for you guys, so. Oh yeah. Yes. I watched the entire Skibidi Toilet series today. It was awesome. I know I'm late on that, but still. Oh, and Skibidi Toilet episode 50 came out earlier today. You guys should go watch it. And I don't know how to pronounce the guy who made it. Both of these maps. I feel like all of these maps. It's fine. I mean, I like all of those maps, but I've only beaten one of them. Should I say? Yeah, I had a button. Oh gosh. Credit to the Flood Escape 2, the developers, for making this masterpiece of a song, and I died. Going down South Park, I had myself time. I make faces everywhere, helpful. Going down South Park, I had myself time. This guy said, why am I thinking of a rap for Magnetic Minds? And I said, I don't know. Another guy said, I don't know, lol. I said, I'd like to hear it, not gonna lie. And he said, well, the best really got me. Yeah, I'm lazy. I'm sorry. It's just the truth. Truth hurts. Truth hurts me from inside. Do this. I've never done this map, so no! I didn't wait to jump there. Oh my, that was a close one. Yeah, I'm not getting that. so stupid. Guys, the right aim. I at least want to win one. I at least want to win one series. It's gonna happen. And yet again, credit to the State 2 devs for making banger songs. I already won this a couple of times. I've always loved this map, but I've never been able to beat it. And yet again, I love this song. The Doodle Bird Spanky Crank. It's like the really jumpy part. Oh no! No! Gosh. This is sad.
December 2020 when he finally made a new story game called Armageddon, which was a pretty big fail. Currently, it only has 2.6 million visits. Then basically half a year later on June 6, 2019, and it wasn't until over a year later in December 2020 when he finally made a new story game called Armageddon, which was a pretty big fail. Currently, it only has 2.6 million visits. Then basically half a year later on June 6, 2021, we got the final camping game, Camping 3. It was nice to see the camping story come to an end, and overall, it was a good game.
Follow who you will snack on. Wait, what's me? Oh my god. Look, it even has his little face right there as the picture. That was delicious.
But it had been close.
No. This map. I mean, I like this map right now. The one reason why I don't like this map. You see that jump? You see this jump right here? That's why I don't like it.
So 2 years since the last camping related game, and not only had that taken away a lot of the hype, but Roblox had also evolved. In the story game genre, we had games like Breakin', which are higher quality, but are also a lot more replayable. Since Camping 3, Samsung's made one new game called Most Academy, which took away a lot of the hype, but Roblox had also evolved. In the story game genre, we had games like Breakin', which are higher quality, but are also a lot more replayable. Since Camping 3, Samsung's made one new game called Most Academy, which came out in September 2022, last year. The game currently has the most concurrent players, but the like to dislike ratio doesn't look as good. But despite that, as well as the game only being out for around half a year, it's still gotten more visits than Camping 3. Samsung's recently started working on a new game unrelated to Camping or Most Academy, but he says that he might make a sequel to Most Academy at some point in the future.
But I'm still just gonna 49 gems to boost the intensity. That's more than half of my gems. But as you guys can see, I am not the best at this game. I want this pink tank, so I need these more gems. What's the... I've never played this map, so this is I rely on having doors on so I can see where I'm going, but a lot of the time they mess me up.
Private, where your store
That's
needs
actually
expert
kinda
financial
weird.
advice.
Oob. Yeah.
Sure.
Excuse me. I forgot what this map is, but that's why.
Now we're in 2020. We have a pig-inspired game which is still averaging a crazy amount of players to this day, Spider. Spider, made by Roy Stanford, got popular early June 2020, possibly because of Albert's video on it. The game is exactly like Piggy with the goal to escape, but with the big difference being that the killer is the spider. And the fun part is that you can actually be your own avatar when playing as a spider. The game peaked in summer of 2020 with tens of thousands of players, but with no new updates, it lost most of its players in just 2 months. The game only has one chapter, there's really no story to it, and the skins are really not worth grinding for, so it's still getting 10,000 players. It's crazy, and without a doubt makes it the biggest Piggy-inspired game by far. But really what we learn from this is that Roy Stanford knows how to make a big game, he just has to learn about how to update them. Now we have a game with a very interesting story development-wise, Timmy. Timmy, made by Wonderworks and Creekcraft, released in beta September 3rd, 2021, being another pig-inspired game. As you can imagine, this was created because of Creekcraft's character Timmy being very popular at the time. However, what was not popular was the game. The monster was faster than the player, there was an overwhelming amount of things in the game at the very beginning with no explanation to what they do, like the level up Timmy, and this might just be my opinion, but I think there were a bit too many Robux purchases, at least for a piggy themed game. Anyway, chapter 2 came out on 19th of December 2021, and
No, I don't know how to do this map. I played it so many times. Yeah, I've never figured out how to do it. Yo! Open the... Why am I stuck? There's nothing there. So I shouldn't be stuck. Yeah, see, I don't know where do I go here? Where do I... Yes, I go there. I'm dumb.
and was the second and last update to the game, with Wonderworks half a year later announcing that Timmy is discontinued, so it won't receive any more updates. And also, just by looking at Creekcraft's tweet the day chapter 2 came out, the communication might have been bad, or at least could have been better.
I was like, wait, what? It updated? I had no idea it was going to update today. I literally...
I'm fine with this map. I actually kind of like this map. Did they get a new soundtrack? Ow.
Y'all ain't gonna believe me. Nobody's gonna believe me. But I actually had no idea it was gonna update today.
I was never really a fan of the game, but it sucked to see a game with so much work put into it stop after 2 updates. I did like the first chapter's map though, and the Krabby Patty mobile was pretty cool. And now, as a surprise, we're going back to 2016 with the first Roblox game I ever played, which I can guarantee you've never heard of. So in the summer of 2016, I watched some DanTDM Roblox videos of games such as The Plaza, Roblox and Water Park, and other interesting games. But it wasn't until August 30th, 2016 when I watched this video on Roblox Pokemon Go when I finally decided to create my account on my dumpster laptop. As you can imagine, it's a game where you catch Pokemons, from starters to really rare ones, just like in Pokemon Go. But unfortunately, now the game has been
Okay,
private.
Stop watching that. Let's just spectate. Oh no! I can't do Dark Sci-Fi Facility. Bro, I swear, harder!
Because of
I used to
Nintendo
be
taking
able to
down
do
just
that
like
without a problem. Okay, I'm gonna watch this because I'm bored and I can't do
Pokemon
anything.
BritBox. The game still managed to get 500,000 favorites, 145,000 likes, and 104 million visits, so for its time I'd say it was a success, but man, I want to revisit that game.
Glad Force Flex Max Strength trash bags are 25%.
I'm playing. I didn't know that. I feel dumb because I am dumb. What do I do? Do I go this way? I swear, if I'm going the wrong way. I am!
They have stuff on 50% off! Buy one, get one free!
Watch yourself? Why do? No, that's weird. That's weird watching myself. Like, look. Like, look, bro. It's like, it's weird watching myself. Like, look, watch. It's so weird watching myself. It's not even low enough. Damn, it's my to myself. Like, look. You see what I'm talking about? It's so weird. Like, look, bro. It's like, it's weird watching myself. Like, look, watch. Watch, it's so weird watching. Look, just watch, just watch, just watch, just watch, just watch. Myself. It's not even low enough. Damn, it's my to myself. Like, look. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? It's so weird. It's like, weird watching myself. It's like, it's weird watching myself. Like, look, watch. Watch, watch. Somebody said.
El bro is having an argument. at least wanted to win more than one. But the video's not over yet. I'm gonna do like 2 more rounds. Maybe I can win. Probably not.
Look, just watch. Look, just watch. Hey, Speed! Myself. Yo! I'm watching myself. Speed! I'm watching myself, Trey! Hey! Here.
Okay. Can I win Magnetic Mines? Probably not. Okay. I might have a shot at it though. What do I get me at? I'm dumb. I'm dumb, but not dead. Somehow. What? No, I'm doing a different server to where I can win. No, that's cheating. I shouldn't. Just join a new one. Okay, yeah. Found some easy maps. I mean, hard, but still easy.
Watch yourself? No, that's weird. That's weird watching myself. Like, look.
Said I'm all about it. Yeah, I'm all about it. Said I'm all about it. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Alright, I've been seeing these videos pop up. 0 Robux idea. I like these because they'll do this and then they'll have the no leg thing, which is a 17,000 Robux item. 0 Robux outfit idea. This, let's see how much this is right here.
Yes, my favorite map! I better not die on my favorite map. And which means I'm not the one going for one of those buttons. Come on! If I lose on my favorite map, I'm gonna cry. On video. Just kidding, I don't cry. If I cry, that's actually gonna be really embarrassing since I just said I don't cry. Yes, I'm gonna beat it! This one's for you, Frappa. What? I beat it before. Did like the entire game restart? Because I've beaten that before. Okay, now I understand how to do this map. Oh, sheesh. I'm stuck. What is that? I hate
130,000. You're a little bit off. Maybe one time someone got this for free. Maybe you're not wrong. Let's see what the video says.
First outfit.
Okay.
Results.
You look so broke. I didn't mean to say that. All right, let's do the second outfit. All right, maybe this next one will be better. This is horrible. Also, why did the robot voice go from 30 years old to 3? Look at this.
results.
I would bully all these people. Okay, wait, I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't do that.
Flamingo. Oh, I like this map. Saitama's I just said Saitama. Oh, wait, no, this wasn't the map I was thinking about. No. Yeah, after this one, the video's ending because it felt like this video has been. What happens? Man. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be the last one. I wonder how long this video is. Oh my gosh, my eyes. This actually hurts my eyes. Bro, these words are flaming my eyes. Yes! I finally beat it!